Hello, Tyler here with SSA Architecture, small studio associates, licensed architects in Las Vegas, Nevada, and the surrounding area, including California and Arizona. In architecture, it is common to find overhanging structures, either for decor purposes or for functionality purposes. A common location for overhanging structures of the functional variety is at counters and sinks of your building. Oftentimes, sinks and counters will extend out of an adjacent wall. May the counter be for eating, food prep, or another use, it is likely that in order to support an overhanging counter that a corbel will be necessary. Sinks also often need a corbel for support. Even if the object that requires the corbel is not necessarily heavy, it is still necessary to have the corbel in most circumstances, as it is important to counteract the forces at the attachment point. This typically boils down to two forces: the weight of the structure, which needs to be supported, and the moment force. Forces applied away from the secured location are also felt as a rotational force. These rotational forces are known as moments. Moments can add additional strain on the attachment points. This added strain at the attachment point usually results in the need of additional support. Corbels act as that support. In order to counteract the additional forces acting at the attachment point, a corbel distributes the load to a larger area where necessary. When attaching a counter or sink, corbel is most common to attach it to the nearest stud, as those are by far the sturdiest things to attach to in a wall. With loads distributed along a stud, it is much less likely that the counter or sink will be detached from the wall. There are different designs of corbels, some of which are meant to be seen, and as such these appear more decorative, while others are meant to be hidden inside of the other materials. The hidden ones are typically sturdier as they are made for functionality over decoration. An example of a hidden design is shown here at a local dental shop we recently worked on. These corbels are attached to the stud and provide support for the counters that will be built upon them. In order for your space to be functional, it will be necessary to have functional counter and sink space, and corbels can help to accomplish this. If you are looking for more information, feel free to call us at 702-873-1718 and schedule a free consultation. Otherwise, you can check out our website's frequently asked questions page over at smallstudioassociates.com. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.